Hello, in this video I'm going to teach you how you can search candidates on Naukri.com. So this is my result page. As you can see, I have searched for accounts executive and I'm seeing so many profiles. So to search candidates on Naukri.com, you can go on Resdex. First I will show you the home page. Then go to Resdex and click on search resumes. Then after this, you can enter different keywords. You can search those keywords in entire resume title and key skill, resume synopsis. You can also do Boolean search. If you want to add Boolean search, you can click here and you can also mark all keywords as mandatory. The keywords that you have entered, you can mark them as mandatory, that they should be present in the resume. Then you can add exclude keywords if you do not want any keyword in the resume, so that Naukri will not show that resume to you. Then you can click on add exclude keywords. Then you can add IT skills if you want to. Then you can enter experience, like the minimum experience that the candidate should have and the maximum experience that the candidate should have. And you can add current location of the candidate. Then you can write the annual salary of the candidate, means currently what they are getting, minimum salary and maximum salary. And you can click here if you want to include candidates who did not mention their current salary, because some candidates avoid adding the current salary. You can also filter it by employment details or education details, diversity hiring, and additional details. But the most important search that you can do is already present in this section. You can filter candidates based on their activity, means if they are active in last one day, if you are looking for candidates who are active in last one day, then you can filter them by selecting 1 day or 3 day or 7 days. Or if you want all resumes to be shown to you, then you can click on all resumes. So the keywords that I will enter is, I'm doing a demo search for you, accounts executive, VAT, GST. So this star is the mark of mandatory keywords. So this keyword should be present in the resume. I will search candidates based on entire resume. And then the minimum experience that I need is 2 to 5 years. And the current location of the candidate should be Mumbai. And the annual salary should be in between 3 to 6 lakhs per annum. And I will not click here. I need candidates who have shown or mentioned their current salary. Then I will keep active in 6 months as it is, and then I'll click on search candidates. As you can see, this is our result page. There are multiple resumes that Naukri is showing to us. You can open the profile, and if you want, you can call them, or you can decide whether you want to call them or not after seeing their resume. So hope you have liked the video. See you next video. Bye.